Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hotjar for SEO user intent insights step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Hotjar website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Click on Add a new site to set up your heat maps and recordings. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Select the plan that best fits your needs. After setting up the site, you'll need to install the Hotjar tracking code. Copy the provided tracking code from your Hotjar dashboard. Access your website's content management system or HTML files. Paste the tracking code in the header section of your site. Save your changes and verify that the code is installed correctly. Return to your Hotjar dashboard to ensure your site is detected. Now, navigate to the heat maps section. Click on Create a heat map. Choose the URL where you want to track user interactions. Set the parameters for when you want data to be collected. Save the heat map settings and wait for user data to accumulate. Next, go to the Recordings section in the Hotjar dashboard. Click on New Recording to set up user session recordings. Specify the pages and user sessions you want to record. Adjust filters to segment users based on location or device. Save your recording settings and let Hotjar collect data. After gathering enough data, review your heat maps to analyze user interactions. Look for areas with high engagement versus low engagement. Use these insights to identify user intent on your website. Next, analyze session recordings to understand user behavior. Look for patterns that indicate what users are trying to achieve. Combine insights from both heat maps and recordings. Identify content gaps and areas that need improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.